Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learning about how to create horizontal tabs using of selected radio group button in LWC component. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number 1, step number 2, and the step number 3. In the step number 1, first we need to create a lightning app. The custom app, that is my lightning app. And step number 2, we need to edit the page. So first go to the gear icon. There is an option edit the page. Once click on the edit the page, we will be call the LWC component to the custom app. So this is my LWC component. Once edit the page, we need to drag and drop to call the component to the custom app. So this is a component that I call into the custom app. So here you can see in the component, I created multiple of tabs. Once click on the tab, the correspondence data of the tab will be displayed here. Once I click on the tutorial, previous tab data will be hide and current data will be displayed below. Similarly, if I click on the take hide, blog and on a component, the selected tab will be visible and previous tab will be hide and the selected data will be visible below on the tab. So friends, here you can see currently I selected Salesforce LWC. So Salesforce LWC data display on the below on the tab. Once click on the next tab, previous tab will be hide and next tab will be display below. Now let me jump my Salesforce org where we will see lab demo example how to create multiple tabs and we will be display the selected tab data in the LWC component. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce Potential org. I open my LWC component to the Lightning Studio. Here you can see my LWC component name is LWC Custom Radio Button HTML. This is a component. This is JavaScript. This is a Meta XML file. So in the LWC component, here you can see I using Lightning Radio Group button. In the Lightning Radio Group button, I am using an action function. The function name is handle radio change. This function I creating in the JavaScript file here. Here you can see after Lightning Radio Group, I created a div. Inside the div, I created a different type of template. So based on the template, check and condition. Each and every template I using if condition. So based on the if condition, I am displaying and hiding the data. So once if condition getting true, then we will be display the data. If condition getting false, then we will be hide the data. So friends, based on the handle change action, I am checking the condition. If condition true, then we will be display the data. So you can see each and every template has a title and this is a description. This is a title, this is a description. So each and every template has a title and description and each and every template has a if condition. So now let me jump to my JavaScript file where we will see how does work handle change radio function. So this function I created in the JavaScript file here. Once click on the tab, this function will be called and here you can see I am using a label and value. So based on this value, once click on the tab, I will be get the value of tab. So each and every tab has a different type of value, this type. So here you can see I create a constant variable and I am getting the value, event.detail.value. So once click on the value, I will be get the current value and based on this current value, I will be pass the data. So this is a variable where I am checking. So if this variable has a Salesforce LW, then this track variable I will be passing true, otherwise it will be false. So here you can see I created different type of track variable and here I am passing the data. If before passing the data, I am checking the value. If this value has the Salesforce LWC, then I am passing data true, otherwise it will be false. Once it will get true, then data will be display, and once it will get false, then data will be hide. So each and every condition I am using same process. So each and every here you can see I am checking the selected option. So selected option, that means if I clicking on the tab, I will be get the selected option value. And if the value has the selected option this, then I am passing the value as a true and false in the track variable. And in the HTML, you can see this is a track variable. If condition, if this track variable getting true, then inside the template data will be visible, otherwise it will be hide. Similarly, process I am using all of the type. Now let me go on the meta XML file. This is a meta XML file. In the meta XML file, I am using targets and targets. So in the target, I am applying app page, record page, and home page. So this LWC component visible only for the app page, record page, and home page. Right now, I am displaying the LWC component to the app page. So now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be call the LWC component to the app page. So friend, this is my Salesforce org. First, we need to click on the gear icon, then edit the page. Here I need to search my LWC component. So my LWC component name is LWC custom radio button. So here I am searching LWC custom radio button. This is my LWC component, LWC custom radio button. Simply select and drag and drop here and save. Go back. Now my LWC component visible on the custom app. By default, first tab is visible. Once I click on the next tab, previous tab will be hide and current tab will be visible and data will be displayed on the below. So now let me click on tutorial tab. Here you can see previous tab automatically deselected and data will be automatically changed. So based on the selected tab, data will be displayed below the tab. Once I click on the text guide here, previous tab will be deselected and current tab will be selected and correspondence data of the selected tab will be visible below the tab. So similarly, we can display and hide the data through the horizontal tab. So friends, here you can see we have learned how to create horizontal tab, and based on the selected tab, we will be display the data. We will be show and hide the data in LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be sending you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the Salesforce. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the FX Trigger and this is a Salesforce tutorial. So friends, the fixed figure, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees, and Salesforce tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID, and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the Salesforce. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.